as you can see in the title below. Trust me, this hack, it is a total game changer. Guys, you know you're gonna love a good crochet hairstyle. I do. Anybody know me well, they know that. And I saw this hack by MaryKBellawhom. She's an Instagrammer. It's breaking the internet, and today we're going to do it. We're going to try it. So the first thing we want to do is part your hair in half. Well, I think I'm using my regular crochet method at the front, and her half is basically mainly at the back. And yeah, it's the first time you've seen my hair since it was cut off, because I'm working on it. It's growing and it become even thicker, but yeah, we're still working on it, So for the hack, you need this and you need this. So you need a crochet hook and you need a beader. So that's what she used. That's all you need. So you're trying to make sure you put it to the side. that's the final bat. So that's the hack portion of it, and I'm gonna complete my hair how I normally complete the crochet by hanging these down and have a closure here, and I'll show you the rest of that. See, turn it down so that you have this section turned under. So let's have a natural flow up top. So I'm going to complete all of that, and then I complete the closure and show it to you. Boo-hoo. It. I really think it's a total game changer, and I think anybody can, do this. At least once you figure it out, you able to execute it. Again, it's a total game changer for me. I like it. I'll be doing it again, but I'll be tweaking it, and I'll show you how I tweak it once I do that, but I like it. There you have it, guys, the ultimate crochet hair hack done by MaryKBellawhom. This is a hack that can be done by anyone. If I said so, I mean so, because I've been doing crochet since 2013, and this is the easiest method that I've seen. My only concern, like everybody else, is how long does those elastic band hold that middle. We are about to find out that, so check out the community tab for the update on it. I hope it can last me 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Well, let's see. We'll find that out. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting me. And I hope I've helped you to make your life easier, because this is pretty easy. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.